Hey guys, we're going to have a look at the Golden Circle factory outlet. And as Kymmy just pointed out to me, look at this. He's had the surgery to wear shoes in this store. He's got no shoes on. I've never even heard of that.
That's expensive.
Yeah, but I've never heard of it.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of it?
No.
Smells. Well, it's cheap, isn't it?
That's all here.
Well, it's zero alcohol. They've gone down. I remember Dizzle telling me he's bought them for $7 a carton here before.
Wow.
Which worked out it was 24. You get $2.40 back on the bottles. So it was like $4. 3 for $10 on the metal signs. Rubbish though. Popcorn. So I thought they'd have good. Hey? Ah, yeah. Peppermint cream. Did you get them?
Yes, I do.
Check fire ant via security zones, use fire ant safe practices, and always look for and report.
They are.
Within 24 hours.
I like that one actually.
Yeah.
You ever tried that one? The pear, apple and raspberry?
No,
Great.
I
That's
haven't.
nice. And they got their lime. Custard. 4 for $5. You'd never use them all. Oh, 2. But I could never drink that many. Pear juice. Bundy. It's different, isn't it? I'm coming back here. Honey. Oh, look at the big top pineapples. Look at the size of them buggers. Well, let's get a can of them. Great on a pie for a
Yeah,
pie
but we
floater.
haven't got any pies.
Okay, we can buy pies from Audi.
Hold
Has you probably got pies over here? I'm getting a tin of mushy peas. Mushy peas. Easter stuff?
Gold candies. 4 for $6 actually.
After dinner mints. I used to like them. Yeah, they're cool.
$1.25.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's cheap for a kid's gift, isn't it? Now, do you want to get tomato soup from here?
Oh no, I think it might be cheaper.
Well, I don't know, 60 cents seems pretty cheap.
Is that soup?
Well, yeah, I think so. Tomato and roasted pepper.
That's alright, because we're only cooking it in there.
You want to try one?
Yeah, why not? 6%.
That's what I was thinking. Spaghetti, you know, spaghetti and that's getting expensive now.
No, but that's not too much.
No, that's cheap. I'm saying that they are though, and baked beans. And they got a frozen section. Let's see if they got mince and stuff. Bacon bits. What?
The hot dogs.
That's a lot, isn't it? They got ice cream. Except hash browns.
Oh, they got potato bake, which is cheap.
It is cheap, isn't it? They got a cauliflower and cheese.
Yeah.
They're only $2 each. Grab on them.
Cauliflower and
Yeah. Yeah. It's a lot though. Unless you got a 3 for $10 on the.
Yeah.
That's pretty good too.
Murphy Road, Sylvia at Robinson Road, then they're out of action too in Capalaba on Edwin Road North and Cotton Road. Bupa members, you can get 100% back on dental checkups every 6 months. Plus
We could just get that,
dental fillings at Bupa.
couldn't we?
For what?
For dinner.
Triple M's $50,000.
Unless you don't want, if you don't want to do that.
I don't care.
I don't care either. These are all over $1 everywhere now.
For up to 1,000 working hours. T's and C's apply. Visit allclass.com.au.
I was doing with the pies.
Yeah, they got.
They got pies? Yeah, there's pies there. Yeah, that's fine. I want to try them mushy pies. I'll get 3.
That'll be dinner.
Yeah.
Put the tomato soup back.
Yeah. Oh, for 60 cents, I've got to try it. Should we get a pack of them too?
Do you want for dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna have pie fighters and meantime let's go back down this way.
Which way?
This
Yeah.
way.
Have we done that one?
Yeah, that's the noodle one.
Jam fancies? Well, it just goes to show you, it's called Golden Circle, but it's not as much Golden Circle.
No, it's got
It's
a bit of
everything,
everything.
yeah. A drain drop as quick as these smelly drains. That's different. Never seen it before. Mega roll. You'd have a ball in here, wouldn't you?
I'm coming back.
You're coming back.
How much is it? Look at that. That's a good.
That's that $7.95.
So how many? Oh, €3. Yeah, that's not too bad.
Wow. Alright, I think I might finish this here. That's pretty much the store, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, that's Golden Circle.